The best window air conditioners for 2020. Best overall window air conditioner. Friedrich Chill Premier 6000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner with built-in Wi-Fi. Why we picked it? While it's a little pricier than some of the other recommended brands, 3 of our experts agreed that Friedrich makes the highest quality window ACs. Sylwia Dudek-Gorski, operations manager at the air conditioner service Figlia & Sons, calls Friedrich the king of air conditioners and says they make the best equipment. According to Bergson, they're extremely efficient at processing the refrigerant gases responsible for creating cold air so that you get a little bit colder air and a little bit more airflow. This one is part of the company's Chill Premier series, which Joe Lacken, general manager of Brooklyn's Best Air Conditioning, describes as a budget-friendly line that still lives up to Friedrich's high-quality reputation. With the timer, you can program the air conditioner to turn off up to 24 hours in advance to save energy, and there's also built-in Wi-Fi, so you can turn it on and off from your phone. And once you purchase and install your air conditioner, Howard Lupowitz of Mike's Air Conditioning says to make sure you regularly clean the filter so the air conditioner can work effectively. Best less expensive window air conditioner. Frigidaire FFRA0511R1E 5000 BTU 115V window mounted mini compact air conditioner with mechanical controls. Why we picked it? Bergson says Frigidaire's standard 5000 BTU model is probably the most popular air conditioner for people looking to cool a single room. Suitable for a 150 square foot bedroom, he calls it super reliable and reasonably priced. While you can find an off-brand model for less, he cautions that those are often hit or miss in terms of quality and how long they last. The nice thing about Frigidaire is that they have a great warranty and they're very helpful if something goes wrong, he says. Lacken is also a fan and likes that Frigidaire's basic models are well priced. You don't need to spend and go crazy on pricing and fancy stuff, he says. Bergson agrees it's a good option if you don't need the bells and whistles of a Friedrich. For a little bit more, you can get a very similar model that comes with a remote control so you can turn on the air without getting off the couch. Best easy to install window air conditioner. Midea Inverter Window Air Conditioner 8000 BTU. Why we picked it? Lacken calls the Midea air conditioner the most user-friendly, easy-to-install air conditioner available right now. The unit comes with a simple safety bracket, and there are easy-to-follow video instructions for free online to guide you through the installation process. Unlike traditional air conditioners, Midea's U-shaped design allows you to open your window whenever you want to get fresh air. The unit is available in 3 different sizes, depending on the amount of space you'd like to cool, including 8,000, 10,000, and 12,000 BTU. Plus, they're quiet and Wi-Fi enabled, he adds. Best over-the-sill window air conditioner. Soleus Air Exclusive Over-the-Sill Air Conditioner 6000 BTU. Why we picked it? The Soleus is also extremely easy to install, says Lacken, because the unit is placed directly over the windowsill, though he does say that it may be slightly more challenging to remove come fall compared to the Midea. Because of the low-profile design, you can open and close your window whenever you'd like, while your view and sunlight remain virtually unobstructed. Lacken does note that, because the air conditioner can only fit on windowsills up to 11 inches, make sure you measure the length of your window before purchasing. It is available in 2 sizes, 6,000 and 8,000 BTU. Best smart window air conditioner. Friedrich Chill Premier 8000 BTU Smart Air Conditioner. Why we picked it? This AC is slightly larger than our best overall unit and also comes with built-in Wi-Fi. This is basically Friedrich's smart air conditioner line that is considered more affordable than the other units that they have out there, says Lacken, who adds that if you have multiple Wi-Fi enabled Friedrich units, you can connect them through the Friedrich app for central air light control. Best window air conditioner for larger rooms. Frigidaire Energy Star 115V 8000 BTU window air conditioner with remote control. Why we picked it? For slightly larger rooms or small rooms that get a lot of sunlight, this Frigidaire offers a little more cooling power. Lacken says the line's gallery models, like this one, install very easily and run quietly. Although it doesn't have Wi-Fi, Berkson points out that you can actually make pretty much any air conditioner Wi-Fi compatible with a plug from Amazon, like a Wemo. Once the AC is hooked up to a smart plug, you can control it from Siri or an app. Best less expensive window air conditioner for large rooms. LG LW8016ER 8000 BTU 115V window mounted air conditioner with remote control. Why we picked it? For a more affordable yet equally powerful model, try LG, a brand whose air conditioners tend to be lower priced, according to Lacan, because they have a fixed chassis, meaning they don't slide out from the inside, they're just one piece built in, which makes repairs more difficult, he admits. However, if you're only using the unit for a year or two, or are willing to replace it after a couple of summers, there's nothing wrong with opting for a cheaper one. Best window air conditioner for studio apartments. Friedrich Series room air conditioner 10,000 BTU. Why we picked it? Things get a little more complicated when you're looking for an AC for a studio. The space might be small, but you'll want to get a more powerful model than the square footage dictates. You would probably want to put a minimum of 10,000 BTUs in that 300 square foot studio, says Lacan, because you have a variety of things that give off more heat than just a standard bedroom, like kitchen appliances and electronics. Friedrich's high-end Cull air conditioner is Lacan's pick for a unit that'll basically feel like central air in your small space. Dudek Gorski says that compared to Friedrich's Chill Premier line, its Cull air conditioners are quieter and longer lasting. Best less expensive window air conditioner for studio apartments. LG LW1016ER 10,000 BTU 115V window mounted air conditioner with remote control. Why we picked it? If you don't need all the features of the Cull, like Wi-Fi compatibility and the ability to program a daily schedule for up to 7 days, this LG air conditioner would also work in a studio, says Lacan. If you're cooling an even larger space, LG makes affordable models up to 24,500 BTU, like this one.